In this lesson, I will show you how to create section view, which is very important. When you will create a 3D part temporarily, you may have to see what is inside that part, or temporarily if you want to cut a section, in that case you have to use section view. So you can activate that section view from this SolidWorks MBD from here. If you don't see this, right click on this tab, anywhere on this tab, and from here you can activate it. This is one way to activate your section view tool, or there is another way. You can activate it from this heads up toolbar from here. So first I will activate it, and it has so many different options showing. I will collapse everything. I will work with section 1. Inside this you can see there are 3 different options. First one is front, then top, then right. So if I select front, it will make a section based on that front plane. If I put top, it will make a section view based on top plane. If I select right, it will make a section based on right plane. And also you can see there are a few half circle and this arrow is showing. You can drag this. Let's say if I drag this arrow, I can move my section. So right now this is 0. If I put 0, that means I am cutting this section exactly on this right plane. But let's say if I put 1 inch, that means this section is offset from this right plane, which is 1 inch. Or if you want, you can drag to anywhere. Also, if you want, you can rotate it. So by using this, you can make very complex type of section view. This is just cutting this part temporarily. This is not the actual cutting of the part. If I select it again, it will deactivate this section view. So I will select it again. Now we can see this full part again. I will go inside this again. If I want to reset it, I just have to click anywhere in this option. Let's say if I click this top plane, then if I select this right plane again, then you can see everything is reset now. You can change angle also from here. The same angle you change it from here. This is the exact same thing. Now let's say you want to make a section view, but you want to cut just only this piece, not all other piece. In that case, you have to select selected components. I have to select it. Now I will select this component. But this time at the bottom, I have to select include selected, not exclude. So this will reverse everything. So when you will make this section view, it will just affect only on this part, because this is the only part I selected.